Are you also waiting for the day when Nokia makes a comeback and shakes up the world of phones? Well, today's video is made just for you. Because today, we're bringing you the inside scoop on Nokia's secret weapon, a phone that's truly set to be a flagship killer. This isn't just a phone, it's a bomb ready to drop and send shockwaves through the market the moment it launches. And the funniest part, its price will literally make your heart skip a beat. We're talking about the Nokia X300 5G. This beast of a smartphone is rumored to pack an insane, DSLR level 200 megapixel camera. So before we kick off the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Alright, let's dive in. Features of the Nokia X300 5G. Display. This phone is rumored to feature a stunning 6.9-inch LTPO 4K display that will make you feel like you're looking right out a window. It's a Super AMOLED display, running on a buttery-smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Whether you're gaming or binge-watching, everything will feel like it's coming to life right before your eyes. Worried about drops and scratches? Not a chance, my friend, it's reportedly getting the insane protection of Gorilla Glass 7. It won't fear dust or water either, thanks to an IP69 waterproof rating. Camera setup. Now, listen up about the camera, because this will blow your mind. Let's talk about the feature that has everyone stunned. Nokia is coming in hot for the camera wars this time. It's rumored to have a triple camera setup. The main camera is a monstrous 200 megapixel DSLR level shooter. Not just that, it's paired with a 50 megapixel telephoto lens that could probably snap a photo of a person on the moon. Just kidding. And alongside it is an 8 megapixel macro lens, capable of taking an HD shot of a dewdrop on a leaf. And for all you selfie kings and queens, listen up. Peeking at you from the front is a powerful 50 megapixel selfie camera. Performance. Powering this magnificent smartphone is rumored to be the world's most powerful processor, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. This chip is so fast that even the heaviest games will seem like a walk in the park. And it's expected to run the latest Android 16, bringing a fresh new look and features. Battery backup. Tired of battery anxiety? Well, this phone is here to end all your worries. Because it's rumored to pack a massive 8500mAh battery. Charge it once and you're comfortably set for 2 whole days. And when it is time to charge up, it's expected to support 100-watt superfast charging. Your phone will hit 100% before you can even finish your coffee. Price and launch date. The most important question, the price and launch. Now, you're probably thinking, bro, this all sounds great, but what's the damage? Well, here it is, the moment of truth. Based on research and leaks, the price for this flagship killer could be set around $799 in USA. That's right, you heard it correctly. All these features for that price. And the launch. Word on the street is Nokia could drop this bombshell phone in the middle of 2026. So, what are you thinking? Can this phone really take on the iPhones and Samsungs of the world? Can Nokia reclaim its lost throne? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below.